Hey guys, welcome again for another great video. Remember, my name is Seal, and here you are in Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So today again, for you, my fellow affiliate marketer, I have a great video, some great tips for you that I want to talk about how you can or what you can do to increase your affiliate marketing business. You know, sometime when you get in affiliate marketing, you maybe start to things goes up, but at a certain level, sometimes things just slow down, or even worse, you don't see anything moving. You just going from receipt to another, from a formula to another one. So today I want to help you to save a bit of time, to save some of your money just by applying simple tips in order for you to get better results from your affiliate marketing business. So the first thing that I want to talk about is that when you get started in affiliate marketing, or when you are doing affiliate marketing, in order to increase your growth, increase your sales, remember, it's one of the biggest and the most important thing is to know your audience. I know this word may seem a little bit fictive, no realistic, but I think that you have to take a great time in order to understand who your audience is. You may have an email list, you may be on social media. So no matter what the platform where you are, you really need to take this time to try to understand who your audience is. It may also be from a brainstorm that you need to do. You know, sometimes your audience is just people like you, people searching some solutions, some answers like you. So you need to make what a lot of affiliate marketers call an avatar, or a customer avatar. You need to define, or just to design some of the needs that your audience may have. So it's very important, because if you don't understand what kind of need your audience are, sometimes if you have an email list, you are showing a product and you don't see any response. The problem is just because you have maybe not understand what kind of problem those people inside of your list or those people in your audience needs. So you really need to take a time. It's maybe from a survey. You can do some surveys and try to figure it out. And you can also do it by ads. I recommend you do Facebook ads. You know, Facebook has great tools such as Facebook Insights and many others that allows you to really understand who your audience is. Sometimes an offer may more be favorable to women than men, and vice versa. It really depends on what kind of things you are promoting, but understanding your audience can be the difference between uh, the 1,000 that you reach the next month and the $20 that you have right now. So that is the first thing. The second tip that I really recommend you is to choose the right product. As I've just said previously, sometimes it's a matter of product, because you are promoting something that isn't in the need of your customers, in the need of your audience. So choose carefully your audience. That's why you really need to understand who those people are and what kind of need do they have. So it's very important. So choose the right product that you need or you are promoting. And one of the way you can do it to be really to have the right information about the kind or the right product you need to promote is maybe to going from product to product, changing product sometime, and just seeing how it goes, seeing what kind of response you get from your audience. And that also goes from some ads, some solo ads, which can be a great way for you to have some feedbacks, or as I just said, surveys, also a great way to doing that. So that is the next thing, is to test your landing pages. Of course, if you are trying to collect emails, if you are doing you're trying to build your email list, landing page can be the difference between the number of subscribers that you get. For example, if you are doing solo ads, sometimes you may be between let's say you may be between 10% of people will just sign up or subscribe to your email list, or 20 or 30. But the problem can be either the kind of products you are, or the kind of the pitch you are selling, or the kind of thing you are asking, you are giving in order to get emails. Or also it can be your landing page. The way I recommend you for you to improve your landing pages is to do some solo ads, because I think that you get from a solo ads provider quick results according to the type of products you are promoting. And also just evaluate yourself by comparing what you are producing in matter of landing page to what the leaders inside of your niche are doing. So it means that check their landing pages, check what is inside of their landing pages, and just compare and see the difference. Try to model it as much as you can. It's very important. So what is the next thing for you in order to increase your affiliate marketing? The last thing is to be trustworthy. I will recommend you to be trustworthy. Promote the type. It means that you really need to promote the type of product that you really believe in, because people will certainly feel it in a way or in another. So be trustworthy. Let's for you, or let's people just know and believe, see that the kind of products you are promoting to them is not first for you to get some commissions, but is more for helping those people. This is the core of our business. More affiliate marketers are focusing, of course they need to make money, but they also and mostly focusing on helping people. So be trustworthy. Let the type of products you are promoting, you trust those products, you trust the vendors, you have maybe purchased the same products, you are maybe using the same products. So that we show to your customers, to your audience, that if you are inside, if you are using those products, they can easily trust you and start using the same tools. So the next thing is for you to be patient. You know, there's nothing greater than patience, because all those things you may say I've implemented all together, but no result till now. I want to tell you, be patient and keep on acting, keep on pushing, keep on moving forward. Because one of the things I believe in success is that you need to go hard for a certain time, and after you reach a threshold, you will start to see things just become very easily. So I don't know where you are in your affiliate marketing business, but maybe you close to your threshold. So don't stop right now. Don't be impatient right now. Don't be tired right now. Just keep on moving, keep on working, and I can tell you the results are coming. So that's what I wanted to talk with you today. I hope that this video has helped you, will give you some great value. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe right now to my channel. And I tell you, bye-bye, take care. That was Seal for Tremendous Generation.